Welcome back, students. This is the session 31 from the playlist of NEET Physics Part 1. Chapter is Work, Power and Energy. And the question here is an engine pumps water through a hose pipe. Water is passing through the hose pipe and it is leaving with a velocity of V meter per second. The mass per unit length of the water in the pipe is small m. So we have to find the rate of kinetic energy imparted to the water. Now this question is somewhat similar to the question which we have done in the session number 30. In the session number 30, we were supposed to find the power of the engine which is pumping the water through the hose pipe. But in this case, we have to find the rate of kinetic energy which is imparted through this water, which is being pumped by the engine through this hose pipe. So in order to save the time, I have drawn here one figure, and in this figure I have taken the length of the hose pipe as small l, V meter per second. This is the velocity of the water which is passing through this hose pipe in the direction given by this arrow. And here I have considered that if the mass of the water is m and small l is the length of the hose pipe, then the mass per unit length, which is given as m, will be equal to m by l. Okay. So now the rate of kinetic energy imparted to the water, this will be equal to the kinetic energy divided by the time. That is half mass here I have taken as m. So m, that is capital M, V square divided by T. Now T is the time taken by this water to pass through this hose, that is through this pipe. So this is equal to mv square divided by 2t. So t is the time taken by this water to pass through this hose pipe. So now what I will be doing is I will be rewriting this equation as what I have done here is that I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator by this length L. So this equation and this equation is the same. Now here the m upon L, this is the mass per unit length. So this will be so I will be substituting the value of m, capital M divided by L, as m. Now L upon T. See, if L is the length of this hose pipe and T is the time taken by the water to pass through this hose pipe, then L upon T will be equal to the velocity of the water. So here the velocity of the water is V meter per second. So L upon T will be equal to V. So I will be substituting the value of L by T as V and into V square. So finally we are getting the answer as 1 by 2 m V cube. That is, the rate of kinetic energy imparted to the water is equal to 1 by 3 m V cube, and here the correct option is A. Okay. So now this question was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test. The question is easy. The only important thing which you have to remember here is that the rate of kinetic energy is given by this formula. Second thing, the most important step which you have to remember here is that I have multiplied this formula by means I have multiplied this numerator and the denominator by the length of this hose pipe, like this, so that I can substitute the value of capital M divided by L as M and L upon T as V. So these so this one, this formula, and this one, that is L upon T is equal to V, and that small m is equal to M by L. So these are the two important you can say means substitutions which were carried out in order to derive this equation. So thank you very much for joining this session number 31, and in the next session I will be coming up with another question from the same chapter, that is work, power and energy. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.